besties! Today I'm showing you my favorite morning routine. Don't you just love how this filter makes me sound so cute?
That voice you just heard, it's a gold mine. While you're using that filter for a 15-second joke, hackers are using those exact audio snippets to build a digital twin of you. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you how a 3-second clip of your voice can be used to steal thousands of dollars from your own family.
Your digital life belongs to you. In a world of total surveillance, the only way forward is through the shadows. Welcome back to Ghost Mode Secured. Stay unseen, stay secured.
In 2026, the technology behind voice cloning has reached a terrifying milestone. We used to need hours of studio quality recording to clone a human voice. Then it was 10 minutes. Today, it's 3 seconds. When you use a TikTok voice filter, you aren't actually hiding your voice. The app takes your raw vocal input, your pitch, your cadence, your unique vocal fingerprint, and layers a filter over it. For a sophisticated AI model, stripping that filter away to get to your real voice is like peeling a sticker off a window. It's effortless. Hackers aren't just looking for your bank password anymore. They're looking for your identity. They scrape TikTok for videos with tags like family, storytime, or POV. They want videos where you're talking directly into the phone. Why? Because that's the cleanest audio they can get. And once they have it, they have the keys to every person who trusts your voice. Let's look at the Grandparent Scam. It's an old trick, but AI has made it deadly. It starts with a phone call at 3 a.m. Your grandmother picks up, half asleep. She hears your voice.
Grandma? It's me. I'm so sorry to call this late. I was in a car accident. I'm okay, but the police took my phone. I'm calling from a station line. They say I need to pay a bond right now or I'm going to jail. Please don't tell Mom. She'll freak out.
Notice what happened there. The urgency stops her from thinking. The secrecy prevents her from calling your parents to verify. And the voice, which is 99% identical to yours, shuts down the part of her brain that handles suspicion. In 2024, victims lost over $4 billion to scams like this. In 2026, with real-time AI voice conversion, the hacker can actually respond to her questions in your voice. If she asks, "Are you okay?" the AI hears her, and the hacker types a response that is instantly spoken in your voice. It's a live digital mask. You might be wondering, how do they know my grandma's number? Yeah, it's easier than you think. Data brokers sell leaked information from old site breaches every day. The hackers take your TikTok username, find your real name, find your relatives on Facebook, and cross-reference their phone numbers from a 2023 data leak. They aren't just guessing, they are building a dossier on you. Every day in the life video you post is another page in their manual on how to impersonate you. So, does this mean you have to stop posting forever? Not necessarily. But it does mean awareness matters more than ever. Again, this isn't about fear. It's about understanding how digital exposure works. Here are 3 things you must do today. 1, the family safe word. Pick a word or a phrase that is completely random. Blue pineapple, neon giraffe. Tell your family, if I ever call you in an emergency, I will say this word. If the person on the phone doesn't know it, hang up immediately. 2, the callback rule. If you get a panicked call, hang up. Call the person back on their actual number saved in your contacts. If a hacker is spoofing the number, the real person will answer, or it will go to their real voicemail. 3, audit your audio. If you're going to use voice filters, do it over a pre-recorded track or music, or better yet, use the text-to-speech feature instead of your own voice. Don't give them the raw data for free. The tech is getting smarter, but you can stay one step ahead.
Stay safe, stay invisible, and keep your ghost mode on. I will see you next time.